Most everybody with access to the internet, kahit sino ngayon, can now become an instant journalist or reporter. And I call these people civilian journalists who can speak and write about anything under the sun. This is a welcome development. I don't see anything wrong with that. But what I find wrong is that some of these civilian journalists are not bound by any definite rules on journalism. They're just bound by their own personal biases and prejudices, unlike traditional media practitioners who follow certain guidelines of journalistic standards and ethics. Now, this to me is quite alarming because, especially for a society like ours, where many of our citizens rely on news and act upon them to make important decisions on some of the day's political, economic, and cultural issues. And if people rely on news that is not so accurate, that is not true, that is lacking in research, that is quite dangerous to any society. Because if that happens, then people will be forming their opinion and making decisions that may not be in the best interest of the community or of the country in general. So I think this is where the members of the media industry can still play a very important and relevant role. You can exert influence over these people who are guided only by their own personal biases and prejudices. You can help them to really follow certain standards, and you can ask them to really be truthful when it comes to reporting. So I think this is the context that I would like to situate our event tonight. This being your 11th anniversary, I would like to challenge the members of FAPCCA, led by its very smart and dedicated and business-savvy president, Ms. Lisa Pacheco-Chao, good friend of mine. I would like to challenge FAPCCA to rise to this occasion, to be vanguards of the truth in news reporting, to make sure that the members of our community are only able to read what is really true, so that when they do make decisions that affect our community, those decisions are well guided and properly informed. And I know and I trust that FAPCCA, under Lisa's leadership, will rise to this challenge. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Thank you.